Oh, today's Thursday. Sometimes I like to do different rules, but today's Thursday, and I'm going to be jumping that jump. It's not really far because I don't want to get hurt, because can't wait till this Saturday because it's a race at Malvern MX. Night race. Mac will be in my videos off and on, but this Saturday will be at the actual Moto 1, but today is Moto 2 for just one round. Sorry I haven't been making videos though, that's a problem. I like moving my hands. That didn't look great. But hope you guys like this. I'm just making a short video because this Saturday it's going to be really big. There'll be different parts to the story of it. But I'm going to take my hat off. But hope you guys like it. More fun at Max though. The grand finale! Woo! Just like in the X Games. Well, like I said, short video. Hope you guys like it.